So today we're in for a treat. Lourens is going to make us lamb shanks, and you see where they're coming from, salt slab. Be sure to check out my video that I made on salt slab, a hidden gem in KZN.
Mirepoix ready for our wonderful lamb shanks. So it's celery, carrots, onion with a bit of garlic. I'm just putting it in this container to keep it neat while the lamb shanks is defrosting. Wonderful lamb shanks from salt slab in the Midlands. So with red wine and also stock. Fantastic.
And the lunch is served. Thank you, Lourens.
Pleasure.
Let's put it to the taste.
We will.
Enjoy. Good. Okay, let's taste. Very good.
Tender.
Excellent, excellent.
Well, this reminds me of my childhood, where we would have braised lamb. Tasted like this. Perfect.
Evidence that the meal was excellent. And no South African meal is complete without a Malva pudding. So whilst the pudding is baking, the sauce is getting ready to go on top and soak up into that wonderful pudding. And on top of all that deliciousness, some warm custard. The delicious sauce is added. Now just a few minutes to let it soak in. And then we're going to serve with the hot custard. Delicious, absolutely delicious. Perfect ending to a perfect meal. South African Malva pudding. Good?
Lekker.